Hello and welcome back to HerbNerd TV. I'm your host Tom. Today, we'll be talking about one of my favorite herbs, juniper berry. Juniper berries are not actually berries, but the female seed cones of the Juniperus communis plant, which is native to many parts of the world including Europe, Asia, and North America. Juniper berries have a long history of use in traditional medicine for their various health benefits. They are a rich source of antioxidants, which help to protect the body against damage from free radicals. They also have anti-inflammatory properties, which can help to reduce inflammation and swelling in the body. Additionally, juniper berries have been used to treat digestive problems such as bloating, gas, and indigestion. Juniper berries are also commonly used in cooking and are a key ingredient in many types of gin. They have a slightly bitter, piney flavor that pairs well with meats and savory dishes. In addition, juniper berries can be used to make teas, tinctures, and other herbal remedies. While juniper berries are generally safe for most people when used in moderation, there are a few precautions to keep in mind. They should be avoided by pregnant women, as they may stimulate contractions and increase the risk of miscarriage. They should also be used with caution by people with kidney problems, as they can increase urine output and put additional strain on the kidneys. In conclusion, juniper berries are a versatile herb with a wide range of health benefits and culinary uses. Whether you're looking to improve your digestion, boost your immune system, or simply add some flavor to your favorite dishes, juniper berries are definitely worth exploring. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more informative videos like this, and let us know in the comments what herb you'd like us to cover next. Thank you for watching.